Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. Back with another video for you guys. Today I'm out working in Dunedin, Florida, which is about 45 minutes outside of Tampa. I'm here to do a roof cleaning. I'm doing a house wash, doing a driveway, and a little small patio in the back. So I'm gonna start with the roof wash first and work my way down. There's not a lot of vegetation around, so that helps me a lot. And they also have gutters. I'm gonna start doing the roof with a 50-50 mix. I have about, 50 gallons maybe on here, 55, yeah, about 50 gallons made. The house is small, it's only 1,000 square feet, so the roof is not that big at all. So this should be more than enough. And then when it's time to do the house wash, I'm gonna be downstreaming out of my 15-gallon bucket. I have about 15 gallons in there ready to go. Downstreaming should be nice and easy. This is the house here. Small house, a lot of leaves on the roof. I'm gonna blow those off with my little blower. Gonna be doing the driveway here, and of course, like I said, we're doing a house wash. And they have a small little patio in the back. Be cleaning this area also down here, this little pathway, and this little area right here. All right, guys, let's get to work. All right, guys, so the roof is done. I'm gonna go ahead and start the house wash, but I noticed something when I was going around, which is a good thing for you guys to check out. So before you wash the house, always check for oxidation. And what you do is you can get a rag or you can use your hand. So let me see. Over here, look. See that white chalky substance? This paint is oxidized, and it's crazy because the sun sets on this side, so it gets a lot of sun. Because when we do the test over here, you don't have it on this side. So you really got to go low pressure when we do the front side of the house, and you know, to not disturb the oxidation. So I'm gonna wrap my hose around, go to the very furthest end of the house. I should be able to soak this whole house. It's only 1,000 square feet. So nothing should dry on me, and I'll be able to rinse, and I can move on to the driveway and the flat work. All right, guys, so I got the house all soaked up right now. I'm gonna go ahead and pre-treat that driveway, let that sit for a little while because it's kind of dark. So I should be able to get everything nice and clean with just downstreaming the driveway. All right, let's get it. All right, so we've been doing it for about 15 minutes now. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the house down while I got the driveway, you know what I'm saying, doing this thing with the post-treatment, with the pre-treatment. Just gonna let it dwell for about 15 minutes. I should be able to get to the front and start surface cleaning. Actually, I'm gonna do the back first, then go to the front. Let's go. driveway's done. Got a tree over here, so this side's drying a little longer than usual, but this side's starting to dry up nice. Got it nice and clean. The house came out good. The roof came out good. I don't rinse the roof. You know, when it rains, they'll rinse it. But everything looks good, man. Got the patio looking good. Pavers came out right. And as you guys saw, I did this little shed back here also. Got some rust on it, but no rust removal, of course. That's extra, but clean it up nice. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. Got the roof done, got the driveway done, got the house wash done. Did a little patio back there. It's about 12:30 right now. I got here at 9 o'clock. No, I got here at 9:30. So right now I'm gonna go back to Tampa. I have one more job in Tampa, and I got another job right outside of Tampa in Lando Lakes. Long day, let's get this money. Next job, let's go. All right, guys, we at the second job for the day. And guess what I'm doing? Pool deck and the pool cage. But this one's travertine, so it's gonna be nice and easy. Just gonna apply a hot mix and rinse it off. I'm gonna do the screen, like I say, from outside, working my way in. This is the screen. Got a lot of pollen on it. It's pretty dirty. Alright guys, so we got the pool deck and the pool cage done. Moving to the front, all I'm doing is the front face of the house. So it's a partial house wash. I done wet down the plants already, make sure nothing dies. And I'm gonna downstream the front, call it a day. All right, we are done over here. I'm gonna take you guys back there, check out the pool deck and the pool cage. It needs a house wash, but he got a partial today. Got a lot of algae and spider webs all over, but here's the after product. Nice and clear. All the pollen is gone, all the algae is gone. Yes, sir. Here goes the front. Gutter's looking good. He has a lot of mud daubers. Those are extra to remove, but everything looks clean. Had a little trick shot over there, but got it situated. Window trim's looking nice and clean and white. All right, guys, we got one more for the day. Let's go. All right, guys, we at the last job for the day. That's what I'm doing. Y'all didn't know. Pool deck and pool screen. Yeah. But they're making me money though. This one's the white one, so it's pretty bad. So I'm gonna use my 12 volt. I know you guys already know I mainly use my 12 volt just for roofs, but I'm gonna go ahead and knock this one out with a 12 volt because my SH on my downstreaming tank is pretty much almost dry. So I'm gonna hit it with a 50-50 mix and use my pressure washer to rinse it off. All right, let's go see it. All right, this is it. Got a lot of algae on it. We're gonna hit it with that 50-50. She's gonna come back nice and white. The floor has paint coming off, but they already know that, so I'm not responsible for that. But we're gonna get it cleaned up. Let's get to it. We all soaked up. I couldn't use my 12 volt because my gun is leaking and I'm not trying to get SH burned down my arm, so the riser is leaking, so I gotta get a new riser for it. But downstreaming looks like it's getting it pretty white right now, so you're gonna let it dwell and start rinsing. Actually, I'm gonna do the pool deck and then rinse. How about that? Final product. Everything looking clean. And we're done for the day. Tired of seeing pool decks and pool screens for the day. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next video.